Hello, welcome to DIY Build It. Today I will show you how easy it is to install a pendulum light fixture. First, I will remove the cables from the ceiling fixture. This step can be skipped, but it's easier to strip the cables this way. Also, some lamps already have the cable stripped from the box. After I stripped the cables, I soldered the copper ends to make it easier to use a fast electrical connection. This is a fast connector. Just insert the cable and that's it. I will leave a link in the description with the connector. Feel free to check it out. I marked and drilled the position of the ceiling support. I screwed the support in the ceiling using drywall anchors. Link in the description. Using the fast connector, I connected the light fixture to the ceiling electrical cables. The initial project for the staircase included two light fixtures, but I liked and bought this light fixture, and I had no more need for the second electrical connection, so I isolated the cables and hid them in the ceiling. This light fixture came with three additional supports to hang them on different spots on the ceiling. I only need two of them, and I will use the same drywall anchors to fix them to the ceiling. After I fixed the support to the ceiling, I routed the cables and mounted the lamp head. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. For the light bulbs, I'm using 5 watts 1800 Kelvin LED bulbs. I will leave a link in the description. Now I'm curious, are the lights working? Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.